Hi friends, this is Mohammad Gibran and welcome to our web development tutorials. Before starting, let me tell you what I will be explaining in this series. I will explain about the basics of HTML, CSS, .NET, different types of servers, PHP, Ajax, etc. So let's begin with HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is the mother tongue of any browser. It was invented in 1990 by a scientist named as Tim Berners-Lee. The purpose was to make it easier for scientists at different universities to gain access to each other's research documents. The project became a bigger success than Tim Berners-Lee had ever imagined. HTML is a language which makes it possible to present information on the internet. If you are using Chrome and you want to see HTML code of any web page on the internet, simply right click and select View Page Source. Let me give you some examples. Let's go open Chrome. This is our website easynotes.co.in. If you right click on the page and select Page Source, here you get a file which explains you all the HTML coding of our website. This decides where a link goes, how a text looks, what font does it, what type of font does it has, etc. etc. This is decided by this HTML. Similarly, if you go to ebay.com, even here also if you right click and select View Page Source, here you got all the HTML code for ebay.com site. So HTML is very important to display your website. The definition of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a method by which you move around the world by clicking on special text called hyperlinks, which bring you to next page. Many people ask that, do I need to understand HTML to create my website? Actually no, there are many website building programs on the internet that don't require knowledge of HTML at all. You tell the program what you want and the program creates the HTML for you. But it's for your benefit to understand how HTML works even if you are using one of these programs, so you can take full advantage of everything they have to offer. If you are a do-it-yourselfer, creating your own website from scratch, including the HTML code, can be a lot of fun. So what can you do with HTML? HTML coding is what makes your website look like a website rather than just plain text. With HTML you can create titles, headings, subheadings, make a bulleted or numbered list, put text in bold or italics, add pictures and links to your site, and much more. So let's start with our first HTML page, which will be very simple, just to explain how to make an HTML file and display text using it. For that purpose, just right click and select New Text File. Open it. Let me get it into the screen. Yeah, we are done. An HTML page starts with a tag HTML and it ends with a tag again HTML with a forward slash. Okay, so this is your whole HTML page. Whatever you want to display on website should be written over here. So let's begin with P. P stands for paragraph. Whenever you type P, browser takes it as a paragraph. So here you can write whatever you want. For example, hello world. So now the important thing is you got to select save as. Now select your desktop, give it a name, test. This is important. The extension should be HTML. It should not be TXT. Change it to .html. Select all files and now save it. See, you got your HTML page test over here. If you open it, see, hello world, it works. Again, if you want to change something over here, let's see, this is my first HTML page. Again save this thing, open your page, refresh it. See, it works. It's simple and easy. Just what you have to remember, whenever you save the file, save it as .html. This is what is important. So this was regarding the paragraph. Now there is another tag named as h1 tags, heading 1 tags, which whenever you always remember one thing, whenever you open a tag in HTML, you gotta close it. So for HTML, closing will be again h1. So this one is heading 1. So write the text over here, heading 1. Now again save it, open your browser, refresh your file. See, this is your heading 1. Okay, then likewise we have many headings. See, we have around 6 heading tags. I'll show you the difference between all of them. This is h2, ends with 2. This is h3, ends with 3. This one is h4, then h5, last one h6. So again save it, minimize, go to your web page, browser, refresh the page and see heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. These are different types of headings which are predefined in HTML, so you don't need to give their sizes all the time. You can just use h1 if you want, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So this was basic things what you need to know in HTML. In further tutorials I'll explain you more about HTML in detail. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked our effort.